Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a closer look at the Bosch SHXM88Z75N 24 inches 800 series built-in dishwasher, which you can find on Amazon. This dishwasher has a lot of great features, and we're going to go over them in detail. So, let's get started. The Bosch SHXM88Z75N has a capacity of 16 place settings, which is great for families or for those who like to entertain. It has 6 wash cycles, including a special glass protection cycle, which is designed to be gentle on delicate glassware. The dishwasher also has a MyWay third rack, which is perfect for larger utensils and dishes. Water consumption. Now let's talk about water consumption. This dishwasher has several programs with different water consumption rates. The water consumption ranges from 14.9 to 6.4 gallons for the glass protection program, to 61.1 gallons for the heaviest cycle. The total annual water consumption is around 624 gallons, which is pretty efficient. Temperature and power. The maximum temperature for water intake is 60 degrees Celsius, and the dishwasher has a connection wattage of 1440 watts. The power cord is 67 inches long, and the fuse protection is 12A. The plug type is NAMA 515P. Construction and design. The Bosch SHXM88Z75N has a built-in construction type and is not panel ready. It has the lacquered housing with a black control panel, and a stainless steel tub material. The dishwasher has an inherent heat drying system, and also uses Zeolith technology to help dry dishes. The height is 33 7/8 inches, and it has a concealed heating element. Installation. If you're replacing an existing dishwasher, you probably won't need any extra installation kits. The only item you may need to purchase is a water supply adapter from the supply line to the dishwasher. Conclusion. Overall, the Bosch SHXM88Z75N is a great dishwasher with a lot of features that can make your life easier. It's efficient, effective, and has a modern design. We hope this video has been helpful in giving you a better idea of what this dishwasher is all about. Thanks for watching.